Kashmir has always been a sensitive issue from time immemorial. The movie Shikara, it talks about those Kashmiri Pandits who were thrown out of their households, even their own homes, and were forced to stay in tents. Later on, they got a house, but that also for 18 years, one couple had to actually exist. And the man, he used to write letters to the President Obama, and he had that hope that someday Obama will reply, but to no avail. And in the midst of all this, his wife contracted some dangerous disease, some incurable ailment. Because of it, she passed away after 30 years of their marriage. And the best part of the movie is when he booked a presidential suit for her, because he knew that she's not going to survive. So he wanted to gift her the best ever gift, presidential suit. And in the beginning, he just told a lie that the President Obama has booked this for me because of my because of my regular writing and consistency in writing. He has gifted this, and he got a cake, a white double-decker cake for her, and they cut the cake, and she wanted to breathe her last just in front of the Taj Mahal, and he took her to the Taj. She breathed her last. She died on the Shikara. And here on the other hand, the house which they had in Kashmir of their own, he finally sold it off. And because of that money, what he got in the beginning, he was quite reluctant. He was a professor. He was quite reluctant to sell the house, but because of financial constraint and operation, which actually demanded huge ransom amount, he had to sell it off. And then in the last chapter of the movie, they are showing that he is there near his house, and he's writing letters to his wife, and he says, every day I'll write a letter just like the way I used to write to the president, and I will not expect a reply, but I will keep my effort, consistency in writing letters. And then the movie ends. So here I would like to just make it very clear to those people, terrorists especially, don't kill in the name of Kashmir. Kashmir is India's integral part, and it has been established from many years. So there's no point killing innocent people. Even in the news, I am seeing that innocent people are dying, innocent couples who are so young, and they are dying in the name of Kashmir. Then now Kashmir is ours, and then all the people who are pundits and those who have occupied Kashmir, they have said to, this is wrong. Okay, so mend your ways and consider it done. Kashmir is integral part of India, and it's shown on the top. So stop this bloodshed.